Right, so good morning, people of God. I believe we are all fine. It's nice to have you all today, being 1st of February 2023. So it's a great pleasure to have you all here, and I wish you all a very, very prosperous and happy new month. So I had to just record this. I'm recording it so as to help solve the issues of network issues from both ends. So this for this video now, a link will be shared to you guys, or as you guys are watching it already, you are watching it using a link, and I believe this link now can also be made available to every members of the team, in case they want to rewatch. You understand? In case they want to rewatch. So now we proceed. Proceed. In this class actually, so I'll still move on with the whole graphic design using Canva. So I'll try to be faster so as to cover up some other stuffs on this Canva design. So let me use my other Canva account. That is a premium account. All right. So this is my other Canva account. So here now, I'll be doing the whole designs from here. So starting from where I stopped, that's yesterday. Yesterday's class I was talking about the presentation, how to get started with making or designing a presentation documents using Canva. So I mentioned that instead of you going to PowerPoint to start adding your slides and all that, you can simply get that done and get it done very well on Canva instead, and still have it exported as a PowerPoint document. So there now I was able to create this. I believe you people were still at this point of the interaction of the class yesterday. I believe you're still me at this point. So so I was able to change the background here. So I showed you guys how to change background and also how the text edited, the colors change, and the font also. So I mentioned something about having to be creative in all this, knowing how to combine your colors and all that, knowing how to combine your colors so as to have a perfect match, perfect color combination. Understand? So on the second slide, I think I was trying to explain some things here before the network started acting up. So here now, on this Canva, or using this Canva, you can import images, you can import videos without having to get your videos from an outside the source, without having to even get it from somewhere like Google. You understand? Using this platform now, you can get stock images. When I mean stock images, what I simply mean is can get high quality images and high quality videos And to get started with that, or you can see this photo option on my left menu. So you click on the photos, you can see some pictures options, some picture options. So you can select the one you would like to, or the one you want to use for the work. You can select the one you want to use for the work, or you can come here and search. So let me say, okay, we're doing something about future of technology. So I can come here and search tech future just to get a perfect image for what I'm creating. You understand? Tech future. So, so these are some AI enabled or some AI videos or pictures. So I can simply select the one that I think um, the one that is the most suitable for what I'm trying to do. Let me use this commando looking one, or I might decide to change to this. So to just change or to do get that done, I'll just click on it, or I will drag it, have it dragged. So I'll just try and so whichever one, you can simply select and move it. So let me see what I have with this. So let me go with this now. Let me go with this now because one of the things I considered while choosing this is the color, the color combination. So it has the blue and red effect, so it will match with the existing color of my work, the existing color of my work. So to match it perfectly. So I have to. I'm selecting this now. I'm selecting this. I'm selecting this. Uh, so that said, I can decide to change the color here to maybe red, or to maybe the same blue, or to another color. So I believe you guys already know this. I can even change to white. You guys are already familiar with this one, how to change the colors and all that. So I can then decide to move on to the other pages. Now, in a situation whereby I want to delete this now, or delete a particular slide, I will click on that particular slide and go to this point on the top right of my screen. Then click on this delete page, or on that particular page, I will right click or click here, then go to delete page. Or if in a situation whereby I want that particular document to go forward or back, maybe I want to have this number three go behind this number four, that's to be the number four to be the number three, and simply drag the one behind forward, or the one be in front backward, whichever one. Or you can simply get that done, having them to switch sides. You understand? Now on this same document, I might decide to add something like an audio. You understand? I decide to add an audio, a recording, a music, a background sound, so that as I'm using this presentation now to this presentation document to do my talk. You understand? Uh, there will be there will then be a background sound playing while my listening is just switching. Or most times, in a situation whereby there is no opportunity or there won't be any opportunity for you to be talking while the presentation is getting done. So you can simply go to the audio and maybe upload recorded uh, an already recorded recorded voiceover. You understand? An already recorded voiceover that explains all this. Or I can simply go to the uploads, then go to audio and record the audio by myself. I record the audio by myself. So by just clicking on it, they will ask me for camera and all that. I'll just simply follow the simple steps and get started with that. You understand? So you have the music. I'm trying to go back. Let me reload. So I can add the audio. So let me just add a sound. Let me just add a sound to this. So I'll add a sound. I'll add a sound to this. What's it called again? To this slide, so that as it's presenting, it would to be playing a music at the back. Let me select one of these songs here. So depending on what the project is all about, the depending on what the slide or the presentation is all about, you can select uh, the perfect audio type that suits it. So, like if you see you see something like happy, upbeat, love, pop, fun, sad, calm, piano, rock, jazz. So, if I click on any of them, they will give me sounds uh, that describes that particular music type. You understand? So let me click on this jazz now. So they will give me lots of options to select. To be playing, then I'll listen to what is talking about. You understand? So let me just select this one. Okay, let me say smooth one. So as people are just listening to your presentation, they will still be listening to or enjoying the background music. So I've added it to this work now. I've added it to this work so it can show here. So I can decide to preview it and decide to preview it. So they said the present full screen, presenter view, present and record autoplay. And I can decide to work on the sound. To work on the sound, that means reducing the sound, the volume. You understand? So I can click here. If I click here, the sound effect, it will show me the sound effect. So I can go to this volume area and reduce the volume of the sound. You understand? I'll use a volume because now, as it is 100 now, uh, let me say this thing while I'm presenting, because of the high volume, it might be clashing with what I'm saying. So people won't be able to hear what I'm trying to say clearly. They won't be able to hear what I'm trying to say clearly. So I need to have it reduced so that it will be just in a moderate or in a low volume so that my own words can actually be heard without it having to interrupt the whole action. So once I've done that, I can decide to share, I can decide to export it and decide to export it. So by exporting, I can go to download, share, and click on download. But now, see, guys, so in a situation whereby you are working on this and you want to, someone wants to also have an input, someone wants to make an input on this particular work, you understand? Uh, I can simply go to that share and click on link sharing restricted, then anyone with the link. So now I can copy this link. So by copying this link, if I send it to someone, anyone with the link can actually edit this work. Anyone with the link can actually edit this work. Anyone with the link, as long as you have a Canva account, you can edit this work. So I can decide to then download it. And also, sorry, there's an option here, can edit or can comment or can view. So someone else can actually view it. You can edit so the privileges, you understand, the actions. So I can make it depend, any person with the link can only view. Any person with the link can only comment. Any person with the link can only edit, depending on the purpose for sharing. So you can adjust it accordingly. So I can then go to this download, select since I'm trying to download all of them, so I'll just make it all pages. Then on this file type, I can then scroll down to PDF or standard, so it will download the PDF format. But now since it's coming with a sound, you understand, so I'll have it to be more like a video format so that it will just be playing on its own, and I can make it have a timer. You understand the number of the duration of each of the pages. So I can say, okay, this one let it play for 5 seconds. Then I'll come to these seconds and say five. Then this one now, because it contains lots of text, I can say, okay, let it play for uh, 30 seconds. Okay, 29 seconds. This one now I can say let it play for the same 29 seconds. Or if I want all of them to maintain the same timing, I can click appear to all, and all of them will play on the same timing. So you can see it's 2020. Uh, I can decide to have them done individually, depending on you need to actually be able to measure the timing. So if I look at this page, I know that I won't stay long in this particular page. I will just adjust the timing of the slide according to the number of words in that slide. Then after doing that, I will then can decide to work on the effects, the animation. So how do I want these images to come in? So I can go to and click on the page, then go to animate. So the animate. So how do I want them to? How do I want that particular page to show? Is this simple, slick, fun? So you guys can see the effects, corporate, or disco, party, basic, baseline, exaggerated. So you guys can see these effects by showing. So I got it by simply clicking on the animate. You understand? So I can select the one I want. I can decide to have it applied to all pages. So all these pages now, all of them will, as they're presenting, they will just be popping up and displaying in this particular format. In this particular format. So be great. So once it gets to a particular page, it will just display in this format. So let me preview. So, right. Right. So guys, let's export this now. Let's export. So like I always mention, if you have any question, you can drop it on the comment section in the group. So I'll just go to download and click select video since now we have to be an MP4 video. So I'll click on video, then click on download to have the work download. Right. So if you have any question, just drop it. You can still write to me directly, or you can drop it in the comment section. In the comment section. The other day, I was trying to mention something about having to remove the background of a particular picture when you're using the Canva Premium. So to get that done, let me say I want to remove the background, the picture for this, the background of this picture. Okay, let me get another one. Okay, this is fine, baby. Let me remove the background here so as to have everything beyond the blue background. So I'll select the picture, click on it, then go here, see where these edit images. Click on this edit image, go to BG remover. Go to this BG remover. So it's actually removing the background now, and it's done. So guys, you can see it. So the background has been removed. So that's how you can remove background. So I can decide to remove another background, another image background. Let me look for something else to remove. Okay, this family now. So let me remove the background here. So I'll select the picture, then okay, before I do that, so if I want them to turn the other way around, that's to flip. You understand? So I'll go to this flip now, horizontal or vertical, whichever one. I'll flip horizontal to have them turn this way. I can flip vertical to have them turn upside down. Can do it again. All right. So I can decide to remove this image. I'm trying to remove it again. I can decide to remove the BG as the background. So to just master this now, to actually master the use of this, you need to practice constantly. Practice constantly. You need to, you can actually get a particular flyer and try doing the design by yourself. You understand? And trying to beat what they've already done there. So I just remove the background. I can click on apply. Um, so there are some other effects that you can actually try out here. There are lots of effects that can be tried out. So you can even do a mock-up. You can even do a mock-up. Like having to have, okay, let me say this phone now, I can do a mock-up by adding something to just be in the to just replace this. So you can see now this lady, she's in the phone now. She's in the phone. So it will be as if this guy is viewing her picture. So she's in the laptop now. So whichever one, but there are lots of features that you can actually try out using this Canva. And like I will always recommend, try and practice it regularly as much as you can. Try and practice as much as you can, and also take on real life, real work, works, real designs, and try be doing what they've already done, what we've already done. You can see all these flyers and all that. Pick it up. Try be doing what they've already done. So with that, it will help you. It will just give you a real challenge, and you see yourself being stretched to getting the work done. Getting the work done. So by doing that, it will help increase your capacity and uh, your competency in getting works done. In getting works done. Uh, then, so guys, by tomorrow we'll get started with the video editing. With the video editing, we'll get started with the video editing. So, because we still have much time left. Once we're done with the video editing, I'll be introduce the web design class, the web development class to you guys using WordPress. So in the class now, you guys will learn how to build a professional website using WordPress. Using WordPress. So thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for listening. So if you have any question, you can drop it in the comment section. Thank you.